Hello students, good morning to all. Welcome to online class. Myself Professor ANA. Hope you all are fine. In the previous class we saw the Norris type 1 reaction, Norris type 2 reactions. Similarly, photochemical reactions of benzophenone and photochemical reactions of olefins. Now in this video we will going to discuss about photochemical cycloaddition reactions followed by Pattano-Bucci reaction. Very important one. Before that, first we know what is photochemical cycloaddition reactions. So what is the definition for this? Definition for cycloaddition reaction is it is like two unsaturated molecules undergoes an addition to form a cyclic product. Okay, to form a cyclic product, two unsaturated molecules undergo addition to form an cyclic product. Now you take this alkene. If you heat this reaction, it forms type of cyclic product. This is the cycloaddition reaction example. Two unsaturated molecules undergoes addition to form a cyclic product. Similarly, 3 molecules, 4 molecules, we can go by this definition. So this is a cyclic product. This is the definition of a cycloaddition reaction. Now, the another thing is classification of cycloaddition reaction. Based on pi electrons involved in your reactions, based on that we classify cycloaddition reactions. For example, it is classified into 2+2 cycloaddition, alkene with another alkene to form a, this is the 2 pi electrons, this is also a 2 pi electrons cyclobutane system. This is 2+2 cycloaddition reaction. Now the other one is 4+2 cycloaddition reaction. Butadiene plus alkene to give a cyclic product. This is the 4 pi 2 pi. There is a formation of cyclic product. This is we called as the famous reaction is known as, what is this? Diels-Alder reaction. Okay. Now we know that 1 comma 2 and 1 comma 2 and 1 comma 4 cycloaddition reaction can take place thermally. The 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction have been discussed just now, that is Diels-Alder reaction. 1 comma 2 1 comma 4 cycloaddition also occurs photochemically with or without sensitizer. In many cases, highly unusual products are obtained. Now the photodimerization process. Photodimerization process. Photodimerization process occurs when alkenes conjugated alkenes and aromatic compounds and aromatic compounds The photodimerization reaction of an excited state of one molecule of a reactant with another molecule of the same reactant in its ground state gives the 1:1 adduct. ADUCT adduct. Okay, 1:1 1:1 ADUCT adduct. Understand? So I repeat, the excited state of one molecule. Okay, excited state of one molecule of a reactant with another molecule of the same reactant in its ground state that gives 1:1 adduct. The excited state of molecule of a reactant may be a singlet or triplet. Okay, the excited state of a molecule, one molecule of a reactant, it may be under singlet state or triplet state, depending on the structure of the reactant and the conditions of excitation. Okay, for example, non-conjugated alkenes reacts through excited singlet state, that is S1, and addition is concerned, the photochemical 2 plus 2 pi electron cycloaddition is symmetry allowed. Okay, is symmetry allowed. Similarly, the alkene molecule in triplet state reacts with second molecule of alkene in its ground state to give ring in two stages. After a spin inversion, this cycloaddition is not concerted. Okay, For example, if you have acetophenone, now this is the S0, this one is S1. So what will happen here? There will be a T1, okay, T1. So the transfer take place. So it comes once again here, okay. Now energy exchange on collision. Energy exchange on collision. Energy exchange on collision. So it becomes S0, this T1, okay. This is alkene. This is alkene. So this is cycloaddition is not concerted. The alkene molecule in triplet state react with the second molecule of alkene in its ground state to bring in two stages after spin conversion, okay. So this cycloaddition is not concerted. Similarly, photodimerization of conjugated alkenes occur through excited triplet sensitization. Now butadiene, okay, provides an excellent example of difference between these thermal and photochemical reaction. Thermal and photochemical reaction. Thermal and photochemical reaction, okay. Yes, butadiene, CH2 double bond CH double bond CH2 butadiene. The 150-degree, it gives the product like this. You also draw along with me. Plus plus 1 2 3 4 5 8 ring. Okay, 8 more ring. Understand? This is now in the case of first one is for thermal, the second one is for on irradiation, okay. It is take acetophenone, it gives plus okay. This is the trans 82 percentage, whereas this is the cis one, it comes around 14 percentage. Okay, now this is also 87 percentage. This one is trans is around 5 percentage. This is 8 percentage, totally 100. So this is for okay thermal difference between this thermal and photochemical cycloadditions reactions. In the case of photochemical cycloaddition products of butadiene depends on the sanitizer sensor depends on the sensitizer used depends on the sensitizer used, that is CH2 double bond CH double bond CH2. This is butadiene which on photochemical, so it gives 42 percentage plus this is the trans 50 percentage plus this one is cis is around 8 percentage. Okay, so this is the photochemical cycloaddition products of butadiene depends on the okay sensitizer used. And also in the case of possible explanation of this behavior can be seen from the three resonance structures for triplet butadiene CH2. You can also draw side by side. Hello students, C double bond C, then we have CH2. This is another hydrogen. Okay, CH2 CH2. So now here one. Okay, now what about this second resonance structure like this CH2 double bond CH. Now you have another CH, then you have CH2. So here you have one, here you have one, understand? Then you have the another form like this CH2 CH, then you have CH double bond CH2. Now here one carbon, then you have another this carbon. Yes, Understand? Now based on that, the another 2,3 double bond on third double bond character. So it will be cis triplet or trans triplet. Okay. Now you draw like this. CH2 CH CH CH2. Okay. Yes. So this is said to be S trans triplet. Trans triplet. This one is cis triplet. This one is cis triplet. Is it not? Okay. So 2,3 double bond has 1/3 double bond character. So it is unlikely that there will be free rotation around 2,3 bond, 2,3 bond, 2,3 bond. The result is that separate cis triplet and trans triplet are as possible. Okay, as possible for butadiene. Similarly, we go for cis triplet can react with butadiene in the trans configuration to give either 1,2 or 1,4 cycloadditions. 1,2 or 1,4 cycloaddition. Now this one is the cis triplet. Okay, this is cis triplet. This one is singlet S trans butadiene. Okay, hydrogen. So this is the trans butadiene. Similarly, this one is trans triplet. Then we have S trans butadiene, singlet trans butadiene. Now this cis triplet can react with butadiene in the S trans configuration to give 1,2 or 1,4 cycloaddition. 1,2 or 1,4 cycloaddition. The triplet, the trans triplet can give only 1, 2 cycloadditions, 1, 2 cycloadditions. So the difference between various sensitizer in influencing the ratio of the products depends on the easy with the transfer energy to S and cis, S cis and S trans butadiene to give either the cis or trans triplet state. Low energy sensitizer tend to give the cis triplet, while the high energy sensitizer favor the formation of the trans triplet only, trans triplet only. So based on this photocycloaddition, based on this photocycloaddition, a very interesting photochemical cycloaddition reaction in the addition of carbonyl compounds to yield oxytanes, that is we call it as oxocyclobutanes. This reaction is known as Pattano-Bucci reaction. Okay, Pattano-Bucci reaction. What is that? Photochemical cycloaddition. Photochemical cycloaddition reaction is the addition of carbonyl, is the addition of carbonyl compounds to olefin to yield oxytanes, OXETANES, oxytanes, or otherwise we call as oxocyclobutanes. Okay, so this reaction is known as Pattano-Bucci reaction. Pattano-Bucci reaction. Okay, so this reaction, the photocycloaddition of butyraldehyde to 2-methyl 2-butene yield mixture of 2,3,3 trimethyl 4 propyl oxetane and 2,2,3 trimethyl 4 propyl oxetone. Okay, I think time is up, so we'll continue in the next class. So in this class what we discuss, yeah, that is one is the photo, so we discuss what is photochemical reactions, 2 plus 2 cycloaddition and 4 plus 4 cycloadditions, and with the various examples of butadiene and how the formation of cis trans triplet and singlet to triplet, how it goes. So we will continue the next Pattano-Bucci reaction with example in the next class. Thank you.